In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Amazon deliver a package to another location. Whether you're sending a gift to a friend or trying to receive a package while traveling, redirecting your delivery address on Amazon is quite straightforward once you know the steps. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, you'll need to go to Amazon's website, so go ahead and open Amazon.com on your preferred web browser and ensure you're logged into your account. Now, if the item you want to send isn't already in your cart, you'll need to add it. Find the item, select the quantity and any options such as size or color, and then click Add to Cart. Once you've added the item, your next move is to head over to the shopping cart. You can do this by clicking the small cart icon at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on the cart will take you to a page where you can see all the items you're planning to purchase. If everything looks good here, it's time to proceed with checkout. Click on the Proceed to Checkout button to begin the process. Now, here's where we get to the important part of changing the delivery location. During this step, you'll arrive at the shipping address page. You'll see your previously used addresses listed here. If you want to send the package to a new location, you'll need to click on the option that says Add a New Address. Upon doing so, you'll be prompted to enter the new delivery details. Carefully fill in the fields with the recipient's name and the complete delivery address. Double check the information you've typed to avoid any delivery issues later on. After you've entered the new address, click to confirm and you'll continue onward to the payment and review stage. Here, you can review all your purchase details one final time just to ensure everything is in order. This review process is crucial because it allows you to make sure the package will be sent to the right location from the start, thus minimizing any possible mix-ups. Once you've thoroughly checked everything over, you can go ahead and complete your purchase. And there you have it. It's as simple as that to redirect your Amazon package to a different location. This capability is particularly handy for sending gifts to loved ones or managing deliveries while you're on the move. Just remember to always verify your details at each step to ensure a smooth delivery experience. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.